Joining us now with the latest on this bidding war, Luc Bertrand. He's a spokesman for the Maple Group. And Luc, the Maple Group sweetened that bid for TMX, as we mentioned, to 50 Canadian dollars. That happened late Wednesday. This tops the bid by the London Stock Exchange Group, even with the special dividend they're offering, although I think your offer is a bit more leveraged in debt. Tell me what happens from here. Do you think you will need to boost your bid again?
Well, there's no question that our offer is significantly superior. It was at the outset, and I think the fact that the other party increased its offer is a full indication that ours is better. And we're quite comfortable with what we have now going into this vote on the 30th of June.
So I'm going to take that as a no, or do you think there is a possibility that as we go back and forth, I mean, folks say the London Stock Exchange, this is kind of a make or break move for them, that they need this, so they might get pretty eager and about this. I mean, are you saying that there's no chance that you might have to raise your bid?
Look, it's hypothetical, and I can't speculate on that. All I do know, though, and that's clearly the response we're getting from many shareholders of the TMX, that what we have proposed is very attractive. And it's not just the bid, it's also the fact that we're proposing a business plan that is very attractive for many institutional investors by creating an integrated clearing and stock exchange.
Hey, Luc, it's Matt Miller here at the New York Stock Exchange. I wonder, and you're kind of explaining that right now, but what do you think it's going to take at the end of the day to really convince these guys? I mean, as you said, it's not just the bid, right? What do they want to see in the overall package?
Well, in our press release last Tuesday, we indicated that we are willing to engage in discussions with the board, with the management of the TMX, to discuss a reverse break fee. We increased our offer as well. So I think we have all the ingredients to move forward and complete our transaction.
Hey, Luc, what do you think it's going to take, though, to convince those TMX shareholders at this point? I mean, do you feel pretty comfortable that you've got them?
Well, as I said, in terms of the relationship that we have with many large institutional shareholders and monitoring the situation, we're very confident that we have a winning proposal. Do
you expect, though, the London Stock Exchange to boost their bid? Are you anticipating that?
I have no clue, to be quite honest. I really don't know what they're going to do. But I do know what we're going to do, and that's to proceed. We're going to succeed on the 30th in convincing a sufficiently great number of shareholders to turn down the LSC proposal. There's no doubt that ours is superior, and then we'll continue, get the regulatory approvals, and complete the transaction.
What do you say, Luc, though, I don't want to use the word provincial, but a lot of people are saying this group of Canadians isn't going to go global enough. The TMX wants to be on a different level. How do you respond to that?
Well, the TMX is already an international organization. And in fact, our business proposal is to take that even a step higher. I think most have recognized that we can do this by strengthening the organization with the integrated exchange proposal that we're bringing forward. Clearly, the TMX has done a great job at positioning itself internationally and will continue along that line. Doesn't stop us as well in the future, once we've executed our plan, to seek relationships with or arrangements elsewhere. But we don't see how the LSC proposal in any way, shape, or form advances things here for TMX shareholders.
Luc, we're going to leave it on that note. Luc Bertrand of the Maple Group joining us to talk about their latest bid there.